Okay, Cam, this is a lesson in fractions. Here you see one whole apple, that's one. One full apple is one. Now I'm going to slice the knife right down the middle like that. Now what do we have, Cameron? Can you tell me what we have? We have two halves. So when you slice one into two, you get half the apple. That's 1/2. That is a half. Now, just put that half aside. Now, if I do this, can you tell me what those two represent? They're a half of a half, which is 1/4. That's 1/4. That's 1/4. And that's 1/2. Now, if I do this down here like this very neatly, right down the middle, like that, we now have half of a quarter. That is 1/8. So that if we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pieces of the apple. If I halve that, and halve the 2 again, we get 8 pieces. That is 1/8 of the apple. 1/8, which shows you what fractions are all about. So I cut this one down in half again, like this. We now have 4/8. 4/8 is equal to what? 4/8 is a half. Because if you put 4/8, you can then divide both the top by 4 and the bottom by 4. 4 into 4 goes 1, 4 into 8 goes 2. You're then left with 1/2. So put all those together and you get 1/2 of the apple. So that's just a quick explanation of how you get fractions of a whole. The apple was whole. If we cut it down like that, we get into the fraction parts of it. Now, if I cut this one down, can you tell me what each of those represent? That is 1/2 of an eighth. What would 1/2 of an eighth be, Cam? Can you think? 1/16. 1/16. In other words, if I do that right through the whole apple, I get 16 pieces like that. So that is 1/16. 1/16 of an apple. 1/16, showing you fractions. That's a small lesson for today. Forget the pips, they don't count. All right, there you go.